All right, ladies and gentlemen, here we go. So, we just finished off wiring in our town light switch, our starter switch, so that when the starter is engaged, the light will come on and will go off with the key when the engine starts. Town lights, I have to run that to the headlight switch. Well, headlights, I have to tap into the power on it. There's our ground, so that's all taken care of. So I have almost every single solitary switch functioning and usable as to exactly what they're supposed to be. Yeah, I'm tired. So this came out so nice. It's so clean. Now, all that's left is here. So I left myself a little to-do note, so I got to pull that one out yet, make sure that the lights are run all my gauges and everything and wiring to it, so that that'll be up like it's supposed to be and taken care of. So won't really be much left after this that I'll be able to do inside the car. So it'll be just, I got my glue finally show up today, so I can start on those tomorrow. So I'm going to work on the corner and everything over here first. Get the wrinkles out of it, get it pulled down nice and tight, and I'll get some weights on it to help make sure that it stays in place. God, I gotta clean that window, it didn't come out good. I'll get this taken care of here to get the bubbles out from right. If I push it down really good here, and it'll start coming up, and then get that fixed here. So then that'll be those spots done, because I don't want to tinker with all of it at the same time. So if I get a little too much pull in one direction or the other, it may unglue what I just did. So I'll do a little bit, let it dry really good, do a little bit, let it dry really good, and then finish off the other side over here, because I'll have to pull the A-pillar off to get that glued into place like it's supposed to be. That one's going to be the real difficult one, because that one's got a lot of different surfaces that got to be dealt with. You've got here that's got to be dealt with. Here, because it goes underneath to go inside. I've got to get this tucked back in like it's supposed to be up in here. So you've got just a lot of different curves. I got to get this taken care of, get this pulled tight and get the crinkle out of this to get that taken care of, and then get this glued back into place. So yeah, it's a little bit of a pain, but we've got it. So, but on that note, ladies and gentlemen, I am done with this car for the day, and I'm moving over to my next project to try and get a couple things done on that before I end my day. Okay, guys, thanks. Have a good one, and we'll see you on the next one.